Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. So, children, in previous video, we learned about different types of the fractions. Yes, we learn about the half of the fractions, quarter fractions, and after that, we also learn about the 3/4 fractions. Okay, so in today's class, we are going to learn more about the fractions. Okay, children. So everyone, be ready and open your page number and open the page number 108 in your Fusion 2 Sem 2 textbook. So children, everyone be ready with your pencil and let's start learning. Okay. So children, how we can find out the fractions? So how we can find out the fractions? Correct. We can find out the fractions by totaling the total equal parts of the objects. Okay. So everyone, let's start learning. Okay, so children, this is the fourth part of this chapter and this is the last part. Okay, so now what we have to do in the more fractions. So children, as you know that we learn about 1/2, 1/4 and 3/4. So now we are going to learn some more fractions. Okay, so here is a rectangle which is divided. See, there is a one rectangle. Okay, now rectangle is divided into how many parts? 1, 2 and 3. So rectangle is divided into total 3 parts. Okay, so what you have to do, how we can find out the fractions? So we can say that there is a one part is shaded and another two parts is non-shaded. Okay, so the fraction will be 1 because we consider the shaded part. So it will be 1 upon how many total parts are there? 1, 2, 3. So the fraction will be 1/3, or we called it as a 1/3. Okay. Now next one is, now see, there is a circle. Okay. In this circle, how many total parts are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are total parts will be 8. So what we have to do, the total number of parts will be 8. How many parts are shaded? So count 1, 2, 3. So 3 parts are shaded. So what will be the fraction of shaded part? So total part will be 8 and shaded part will be 3. So the fraction will be 3/8. Okay, or we called it as 3/8. Okay. Next, again, see, here we have one quadrilateral. Okay, which is hexagonal in shape. So children, here firstly you have to find out the total number of parts. How many parts are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded. So what will be the fraction? Shaded parts upon total parts. So it will be 5/6, or we call it as a 5/6. Okay. Now, so this is some explanation that how we can find out about more fractions. So now everyone come to the exercise. Okay, exercise 2D and page number 109. Okay, children. So what you have to do? So see, here the pictures is given. You have to find out the total number of the parts, number of the shaded parts, and after that you have to write down the fractions of the shaded part. Okay. So so in the first figure, question number A, okay, total number of parts. So how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be number of parts will be 6. Now how many parts are shaded? Only 1. So write it 1. Okay. So what will be the fraction? Shaded part upon total part. So it will be 1/6. Okay, so once again we will do it. Total number of parts will be 6. Number of shaded part will be 1. So what will be the fraction? It will be 1/6. Okay, children. Now, total number in the second figure B, total number of parts will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be 7. Okay. Now number of shaded parts, count it 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 4. Now what will be the fraction of shaded area? Shaded parts upon total parts. So it will be 4/7. Okay. Now next one. Total number of parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 8. Number of shaded parts will be, how many parts are shaded? Only 2. So write down 2. So what will be the fraction? It will be 2 upon 8. Okay, children. Now next figure. So here we have how many parts? Total parts will be, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will be 10. Okay. How many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 6. How many parts? Sorry. How many parts are not shaded? Okay. So in this question, be careful. When you read the question, be careful. Okay. So how many parts are shaded? Not shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So fraction of not shaded part. So means you have to write the non-shaded part upon total part. So it will be 4 upon 10. Okay, children. Moving to the next. Okay, now in this figure what you have to do, what fraction of each figures has been shaded. Okay, so here we have to write down only the fractions. Okay, so here see the total parts 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parts are shaded? Only 1. So what will be the fraction? It will be 1 by 4. Okay, in the question number B, how many parts, total parts are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many parts are shaded? Only 1. So what will be the fraction? It will be 1 by 3. Okay, moving to the next. See how many total equal parts are there. Here we have 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many parts are shaded? Only 2 parts. So the fraction will be 2 by 4. Okay, children. Next one, D. How many parts are there? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts are there now. So when 6 parts are there, so children, 6 parts are there. How many parts are shaded? Only 2. So what will be the fraction? It will be 2 by 6. Correct. Next one, E. How many total parts are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the fraction? 4 by 6. Correct. Now F. How many total parts are there? Count it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the fraction will be 6 by 8. Okay. Now G. How many total parts are there? Count 1, 2, 3. Firstly, count the colored part. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now remaining 7, 8. So total part will be 7 and we already count the shaded part. So it will be 6 by 8. Okay, children. Now the last one, G. Here how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total parts will be 10. Okay, how many parts are there? See, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So fraction will be 8 by 10. Okay, children. So this is the exercise 2D. Okay, there are 2 slides are there. You have to complete question number 1 as well as question number 2 on page number 109 and 1110. Okay, children. Okay, so children, after this exercise, okay, so here today we completed our question number exercise 2D first question, and after that we also completed this exercise. Okay, now what you have to do, see there is a one step ahead. Divide each rectangle into 2 equal parts in these 3 different ways. So children, this is the homework for you. Okay, see there are 3 rectangles are there, 1, 2, 3. You have to divide them into 2 equal parts by 3 ways. Okay, so everyone complete it by own. Okay, this is the homework for you. So children, as you know that today we completed our fraction part. This is the last chapter for P3 exams. Okay, so in P3 how many chapters are there? 2 chapters are there now. The name of the first chapter is division and the name of the second chapter is fraction. So everyone complete your work and do practice. Okay.